we've been talking about how oddly warm it is right now. You know, this late in October, it's usually, what did you say, about 38 degrees average?
For at night, for a wake-up
overnight.
You know, sure, during the afternoon it's not normally that bad, but it's at night. So when you wake up tomorrow and you say, why hasn't it gotten cold? It's going to be, wow, crazy. And we got fog behind us, Pat.
I think this is South Portland Tower Cam.
Let's get into the forecast.
It could be anything.
I mean, this is, we could be anywhere. We could be in Kansas. I mean, right now it's 59. The dew point's 59. When those two numbers are together, you've got fog. Humidity is 100% in the atmosphere in Portland. Now, it's not as bad in Bangor. It's 63 degrees, and you can clearly see there's a lot better on the camera behind me. But look at the state here, the visible satellite. Clouds from Presque Isle all the way down to Kittery. We are locked in. Only the western mountains have the sky with some sun, and I would drive up there to see the sun right now if I could. How about the live radar, though? Unlike yesterday, we don't have a bunch of rain coming. Those downpours have ended. We've taken a break is really what I should say, because they're coming back tomorrow. We still have to break through a little bit of the cloud cover this afternoon. We'll do just a little bit of clearing, not a lot. The real clearing doesn't happen until Thursday. That's where you'll set your calendar and say, okay, sunglasses, break those back out. How about the visibility? I mean, it's brutal out there driving around Portland. A half a mile of visibility, less than 2 miles in Sanford. It's better up in Augusta, but still, this is really just locked in type of a wind coming up out of the south here on the hour-by-hour forecast. Temps in the 60s. Here's the time code, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 70 up in Coos County, New Hampshire. That's where the sun's out, all right? I mean, we don't have all the clouds there. So as we get into the afternoon, by 6 o'clock for the drive home from work, notice the clouds are still locked in. There are some showers coming up into mostly southern Maine, central Maine, a few sprinkles up north. So you're going to see the shower activity come up from the south. And then by Wednesday, 6 o'clock in the morning, starting your day, you can grab the umbrella if you want, but the real heavy rain is going to be holding off until about the middle of the day. You can see it just offshore on Wednesday. So grab the umbrella tomorrow morning for the lunch hour tomorrow. Now, as far as how much rain is coming, well, clearly see here, not that much. I mean, yes, there's some green on the map here, but look at those numbers. That's for only through Wednesday morning. So the heavier batch of rain is going to arrive after tomorrow morning. So just kind of lock that into your planner tomorrow. Here's the fog. Temperatures today all day, 60s into about 70. It's also quite balmy and humid right now. It's going to stay that way. It kind of feels like down in the south. This doesn't feel like typical Maine weather around here for us. So it is going to be a warm and kind of mild one and a bit sticky by our standards. Water temp 56, seas 2 to 3 feet. Wind light. Small craft advisory has been dropped for the mariners. And how about inland? Cloudy, a shower or two today, not a big deal. More rain gets in here tomorrow. That's the heavier batch. Thursday, the sun is back out. Smiles everybody. Friday, we cool down, more typical, and then we warm back up for the weekend. Halloween, I do expect a few showers coming through like late on Halloween, but nothing like what we're going to see tomorrow at the coast, Pat, where it's just going to pour. So grab the umbrella for tomorrow.
Good advice. Thank you, Jason.